Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we're going to talk about a job opportunity from Deloitte and they are hiring for analyst for .NET, QA and DevOps. So we will check the eligibility criteria and all the details about that. But before moving further with the video details, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates in future. And we upload videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation, so you will definitely get help from those videos when you are searching for the job and in your preparation. So consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And you can also share this video with your loved ones and with your family and friends. So with that note, let's quickly move further with today's video details. The qualification they require for this role is the candidate should be fresher. Work timing will be 11 to 8 p.m. Your location will be Hyderabad and B.Tech, BE and MCA people can apply. Good communication skills and understanding of DevOps, QA and .NET, because they are hiring for the analyst for these three. So you should have the idea about DevOps, QA or .NET or any one of the things. Okay, now other than that, they have not given any such criteria or any such skills they want in you, as they are hiring for the freshers. So if you have the basic understanding of DevOps, QA and .NET, that will also work, because when you join the company you will get the training also. So there they will they will teach you how you can proceed, and you will get a good training. Now there is no eligibility criteria given for the batch. Okay, so anyone, any batch from B.Tech, BE and MCA can apply, and also any branch can also apply, because they have not given the criteria for batch and branch. So anyone from B.Tech, BE and MCA, any batch and any branch can apply. And I will provide the link in the description box, so you need to go to the link and click on this apply now button. Complete your application as soon as possible, and for further procedure they will coordinate to you through your registered email ID. So just you need to check and you need to be active on your email ID. And this is all about today's job opportunity. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates in future. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.